Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, and we got weekend around the corner, and let's see what's going on. All right. So last night, yesterday, the BOJ news made market start going down, then boom, going down again, then another level go down, and it was just non-stop going down. And 11 p.m. they did another news and was up and down until starts slowly going up, and was green until the PCE report. PCE made it just a little bit jump up, but at least held steady. So right now, what happened yesterday is, even though we went down, we broke the high of the day before, and then we went even lower than the lows of the day before. So this is what you want to always pay attention. Like when something is gapping up and then goes lower, first target is the high of the day before. Then the next is the low of that day, and then if it breaks it, you can see here it broke, but it still held the bottom of the range of last few days. So it didn't go much more crazy, like 1-2% negative. Yesterday we were negative, we went down a lot, but because markets was so green, we closed a little bit green on we closed a little bit red on indexes. um, Anyhow, right now pre-market, 5 is up, 15:30 is upward. Everything is golden cross, 1 hour same, and the 4 hour we got a yellow bar. So one thing to keep in mind is that the daily MACD is dead cross, and market is fragile at this point. That's 4600. It went so much higher. So anything positive can push market a little bit up, but anything negative can push market way a lot down. So we are at the point that, um, as I mentioned, let me just bring this here. Um, we went up crazy, and then we're at this point right now. So at this point, stuff like this can happen. We can go a little bit up, maybe a little bit more up, but then if some bad news comes, sellers comes in. Why? Because a lot of people already bought, way cheaper, and they're afraid maybe this is the top, so they want to take profit. And more people are on the edge. Like I had people text me yesterday, should I sell, should I sell, is market gonna, is this the top? So people are on the edge. um, we are not too far from all-time high. And any bad earning, like big company bad earning, or any bad news comes in, it can cause market go down very rapidly. Not crash. We're not crashing it. We don't crash until the weekly MACD dead cross. Once that dead crosses, then crash comes. But we'll see. We're not there even yet. There is signs of a slowness. Anyhow, again, as always, 15:30, if MACD dead crosses, we go down again. 5 is dead crossing right now. And also keep in mind, in bull market, we open strong. We open a lot of time in bull market. You can open a little bit red, or open a little bit red or weak. Then we go higher. In bear market, you can open green and it's strong, and then go lower again. Same like happened a lot in 2022. And then right now we're opening green, so you never know. Maybe 5 is dead crossing. If 15:30 dead cross follows, then it goes for sell off again. Anyhow, NQ pre-market, same thing. 5 is not clear direction, just up and down. 15 we got a dark blue bar, a little bit flat. 30 1 hour is very bullish. 4 hour interesting. We got a dead cross, then golden cross right now, so it's upward. And daily is downward, keep that in mind. And then you can see here on weekly we have dark blue bar. So let's go to VIX. TNX was rising up yesterday, last night. It got close to 40.42. Keep an eye on TNX. That was one of the main reason market was falling, and TNX was rising. So until the 4 hours not get crossed, this is in the rise mode. DXY, it pulled back this morning. It pulls back after market open and jumped up. So you can see here the big fall, and but it's still bullish on daily. So keep an eye on this one. It's probably gonna up and down between 101.37 and 101.94. If this one acts volatile, when it's flat, doesn't move, okay, it's fine. Market doesn't care. But when it acts volatile, it can make market volatile. So imagine like goes to 101.94, then market can go down. Then it comes back to 101.34.7, then market can rip up higher. So volatility in this can cause volatility in the market. Wix 30%, I'm sorry, 6% lower. It's again below 1373. Daily weekly was golden cross yesterday, but today red is making it again, diverting back. 4 hours flat, so just gonna need to keep, pay attention to the levels. If continues going lower right now, because 1530 is lower, 1530 is pointing down. If it goes lower, we can go to 1307. If it goes below that, market can get a squeezy up. If it passes 13.73 and 1530 MACD golden cross, it can again go run up to the higher level and market pulls back. Another thing about VIX, I'll show you a trick yesterday. Even though market was like falling at open or just going the war down, you can see here VIX wasn't jumping. But when the BOJ news came, it starts jumping, and that was a validation that there is a sell-off. You can see here how it went up. So always keep an eye on VIX. Anyhow, next one, BTC, 29,500. Pre-market looking bullish on from 5 to 4 hour. Daily, we still don't have yellow bar. Once it gives a yellow bar and start golden crossing past 30K, then maybe it goes for another bull run. Apple earning next week, and pre-market right now 5 is downward, 15 is about to dead cross, 30 is 1 hour is still bullish. Need to get a 4 hour again golden cross for run up, and past 196 is strong. 196.96 passes, we can go for a 201.1. Then below targets are 194 if it gets sold off again, 194, 193, and 191.7. Amazon 2 points higher. Pre-market right now 5 is dead crossing, 15 still upward, 30 and 1 hour. 30 and 1 hour are bullish. Need to pass 131 to run up to the higher level, and if it goes below 129.6 and 128.72, it can go to the lower level. Nvidia, Nvidia is strong. Yesterday was strong, and then you can see here, even though market was falling, and then it was continue being like yo-yo or up and down. Nvidia midday went up, and then another day BOJ caused it to go down. But again, because of the market bounce, so this is one I always want to keep an eye when market is fall. Which names are the strongest names that holding up or going less lower? And Nvidia was one of them. And you can see here today, because market is green, Nvidia is gapped up like 7 points. Anyhow, pre-market right now 5.15 is lower, is downward, and 30 is flat right now. 1 hour is not golden crossed yet. I need to pay attention to the levels. Past 468, we're gonna go to 471, 474, 61, and if it can hold these levels, and pre-market low is, let's say, 465. Yeah, 464, like 463. If it can't hold there, we're looking to go back to, if market falls, we're looking at 461, 456, 96 to come. Baba, nice gap up. This is just yo-yo. You never know when it's gonna gap up. You never know when it's gonna go down. Key level is 98.83. If it passes 98.83, it's gonna be a skyrocketing. 99.6, 186, 102.11. Those are the next target once it passed 98.83. Pre-market 5.15 is downward, 30 is a little bit curved down, but 1 hour and 4 hour very bullish. Need to pay attention to the price action. Baba sometimes fades, so if you see it opens and fades, it's gonna go back to the 97, 96 and lower level. But if you see it jumps and passes 98.83, it's gonna skyrocket. So keep an eye on that one. BDU, same thing. If you see it open and jumps, sky is the limit. Next target 155, 156.94, passes that one, can go to 160. Pre-market 5.15 a little bit down, 15 is flat, but 30, 1 hour and 4 hour are very bullish. Netflix, nothing positive there. We got a 4 hour dead cross, now a golden cross. So this one, you better wait until you see a yellow bar on the daily chart. Again, 5 is downward, so 15.30, but is up. 1 hour is up due to market green. Need to pay attention to the levels. 415.81 passes, we can go to the lower level. 419 passes, we can go back to 423, 426. Meta for 317 was holding very strong yesterday. You can see here until the BOJ news came, and boom, went to 310. 317 again. Two key levels to watch on this name is 310 and 317.29. Breaks either one, it can have a bigger move. Breaks 317, it can go to 320, 324. Breaks below 310 and 305 can come. Just keep in mind, Meta last few earnings, that when it went from 80 to 300, last few earnings it jumped and it continued higher after the earning. Yesterday was the day after the earning when it wasn't that much strong. Even from the open, was start getting sold. So it seems like Meta, it's starting to get to a top. Especially this thread is not helping at all. It's just so many horrible thing about thread, and it's not. So the thing is, probably need some new catalyst or something to go to all-time high. But Meta, it is possible in this season, at least the next few weeks, maybe next 10 days, retest 300. Tesla was flushy yesterday. It went to 356 level and 4 hour dead cross. There was weakness, but again, market green, so it jumps up. Tesla, keep in mind, it has a red bar on the TTM squeeze. And if you go back, you can see in April it had red bars. And it took like maybe 2-3 weeks until it gets a yellow bar again and get a daily MACD golden cross and run up higher. And again, this one is in a downturn. Any jump can be temporary, any bounce can be temporary, but every time it goes higher, it gets sold. So anyhow, key levels to watch is 260.41 and 256.54. Breaks either one, can have bigger move. Breaks 260, it can go to 262, 264, 266. 5 is down right now, 15 is curved down sharply, and but 30 and 1 hour is upward. Breaks 256, we're looking at 252.55, 248.56, and 246.1. Microsoft was very weak yesterday. A lot of names are gapped up or higher. This one only 3.1%. Not bad, but still, this name is in the category of weak names. If it goes below 331, we're looking at 329, 327, and 326.17. Pre-market 515 is downward. 1 hour and 30 and 1 hour is upward for many names. So yeah, so this one just gotta keep attention. Pay attention to the price action. But so far, until the 4 hour is not golden cross, don't expect Microsoft to go up again for now. Google is in the category of strong names because of the earnings. So 130, is the key level to watch. Past that one, 132.71, 134.15, and 135.59. Pre-market 5 is down, 15 is flat, and 31 hour. 1 hour is not golden cross even yet. 4 hour is about to dead cross, so we'll see. I need to pay attention to the price action. Google is very strong. I mean, the earning was crazy. AMD weekly is still bearish, daily downward, but it was interesting yesterday that it jumped at open, then it jumped again, and but end of the day, market weakness pulled it back down. And this one, it is a possibility that gives an unexpected good earning because a lot of other semis went up except this one. So earning is next week, and keep an eye on it. This one worth playing lotos. Anyhow, if need to pay attention again to price action. 5 is curving up. 113.46 passes. We're looking at 114.22, 115.47. If it goes below to 112.21, then support 110.67, 109, 108.18. Boeing, a hot name, very hot name, and even though it was market was falling yesterday, it held until 2 o'clock. Then it got sold until 2:30, and it was close to 230.87, but now market green and gapped up. 2 points higher, passes through 35.61. We're looking at 237.72, 240.36, 243.29. Pre-market right now, 5 is dead cross, 15 is curved down, 30 and upward, and 1 hour we're getting in red bars. So there is some pressure downward. And 4 hour we have dark blue bar. If the 4 hour dead cross is not gonna be good for Baba. SPY, it already went above 458.48 level, and right now is close to 455.93. So if it passes that one, we're looking at 457.78 and then higher level. And then if it goes, if the 15 and 30 MACD dead crosses and passes 454.48, then it's possible to retest the lower level again. Yeah, so keep an eye on SPY. At open is gonna give a clear direction what's gonna happen. Need to pass 455 for jump up, and 457 pass squeeze up. 454 goes down, we're gonna go to the lower level. But for now, 15 and 30 is upward. Um, QQ 5 points higher, and 380, 286, that's the key level to watch. Passes that one, we can run up to the higher level. If it goes below 379, again can go to 375. Pre-market right now, 5 is down, but just in a yo-yo action a little bit. 15 is kind of flat, but it's toward up. 30 and 1 hour is upward. What else you got here? So that's pretty much it on these most important names. LRCX 718 passes is gonna be really hot going. Next major target is 774.73. What else you got here? Neo, some points higher, but not so much interesting. This one got close to 14.41, but right now need to pass that for flying up. What else? SMCI. This one just non-stop goes higher. 340.99, 350.44 next major target. XPEV got an upgrade. It's got close to 22.3. What else here? Roku had an earning. If it passes 75.26, we're looking at 77.18 next major. If it passes 77.18, it can squeeze up to 78, 79, and 81.66. What else you got here? Um, OSTK. That one was running very hot yesterday. If it passes 30, 36.6, gonna go to near 40. Got near 40, but it pulled back because market got weak. TLT, keep an eye on this one. It's getting volatile due to TNX. So if it goes below 98.91, it can go to 98.07, 97.41 if it pass. But if it goes above 100, it can recover and go higher. Pre-market looking general and 4-hour daily and weekly very bearish, and but right now TNX is jumping up a little bit. We'll see what happens, but keep an eye on TLT. ENPH, big sell off there, but it went big down to 137, but right now pre-market 5, 15, 30 is upward. And 1 hour we're getting yellow bar. So if it passes 149.41, it can go for recovery to 154, 158, 162. And what else? That's pretty much it. Oh, FSLR again, good earning. 225 passes. We're looking at wait. So 225 is a key level to us. 224.94 passes. We're gonna go to 232, 234, and 237 and 240. I mean, you never know. This name can go crazy. I think all-time high is 232. If it passes that one, it can go very, very crazy. PG had a good earning, but right now it's pulling back, so conference call probably not good. And PLTR got an upgrade, so keep an eye on that one. Next main target for me is 20.8. All right, best of luck. As always, please like, share, subscribe, and if you like, stay the option service, and chartwise.com if you like levels. Thank you, and as always, be cautious. It's Friday. Manage risk, and especially if playing lotto. Thank you, and bye.